So I wanted to show you this craft that I made not too long ago. And isn't it adorable? A giant rainbow. So this is my first shot at like macrame anything, and it was super easy. And I would love to tell you a little bit more about how I made it. Super easy. In fact, I did this row, as you can see, like in the dark. Okay, so this is my rainbow, and it's obviously not perfect, right? This was my first shot at this. Okay guys, so I'm no expert at this. This is truly my first shot at it, and I'm a little bit self-taught. So this is mine, right? And let me show you how you do it. I think if I did it again, I would definitely be neater about this. In fact, I did this row right here in the dark while I was watching TV. So let me start from the beginning. So you're going to get some rope, right? This is, I think, 3/4 inch. I think this is 3/4 inch. And so you want to kind of tape off the end of it, because you're going to be making these little tassels on the end. So basically don't unravel it, but tape it off so that you can have your cloud at the bottom of it, right? So tape it off, and then because you're going to be bending it and you want it to kind of stick together, I used some of this floral wire. And so basically I just wrapped the floral wire around here, kind of anchored it in by twisting it, and then went around it all the way so that I could give it some structure, right? So I did that along the whole length of the arc. And I kind of laid this out beforehand to see like how big I wanted the rainbow to be. I will tell you something that I learned is, as you're wrapping the yarn on this kind of squeezes and stretches out, and I didn't really anticipate it doing it that much, so it turned out to be a little bit bigger than I wanted. But it's okay, because all of the colors sort of stretched out at the same time. So anyway, so you have this, you're going to wrap this around it just to kind of give it a little, so that you'll be able to bend it and kind of keep it where you want it to be once it's done. And then you're literally going to take some yarn and tie it around into a knot, and then you're going to just start wrapping. And the neater you are about wrapping, obviously, the neater your arcs are going to be. So you just wrap it all the way around, and when you get to the other end, you cut it and tie it off. So when I got done with all of them, and I had kind of measured these out, this one's shorter than this one, obviously, I tried sewing them together, because I had seen some pages say that you sew them together to keep them together. I decided not to do that. I actually used fabric glue and just put it all in the back right here. And I also would recommend, before you finish, to put like your little hook that you're going to hang it with, but you can always add it at the end too. But so then I let it dry overnight, and as you can see, it's all together. So it's super cute. Once you get everything sort of connected together, then you can start brushing these out. And I just used a doll brush, just a brush like this, and just brushed them out, and then gave them a trim so that they were close in size. So as you can see, this one I had cut it too short. So I'll probably trim these out so that they'll be a little bit more uniform. But that's it. I just used 5 colors of this, but if you like these particular colors, this is the brand I used, called Sugar and Cream, and these I believe are from Michaels. So I can put the names of it in the notes, but hot blue, yellow, just plain yellow, hot orange, let's see, mod green, and hot pink. So those are the 5 colors that I used. I think I'll probably give this to a friend of mine who just really needs her spirits lifted, and she won't mind that I was super neat right here, and then I started watching Psych with my family and did this one in the dark. And this one, she won't care about that. She'll like this side.